Hi everyone, it's your boy Robert here. Today we are visiting two places on our first day of our Xishuangbanna holiday in the Yunnan province, south of China. First we will visit the Xishuangbanna Botanical Garden and then the Dai Minority Park. This video however will only focus on the Botanical Garden. The Dai Minority Park will be the next video to be released on my channel. We woke up early the next morning before dawn to meet up with our tour bus that will take us to both places as part of a tour package. The bus was full of Chinese people and I couldn't understand a word the guide was saying. I couldn't even see out the windows properly because of condensation. On the way to the park, I saw this really impressive bridge that was still under construction. It was chilly in the morning before sunrise. The temperature was around 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. During the day, however, it was around 26 degrees Celsius or 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too bad for winter. It is not compulsory but highly recommended to take the guided shuttle buses that the park provides at the entrance. Because we booked a comprehensive day tour, our shuttle bus tickets and guide were included. So let's talk about the history of the park. The park was established by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, which was founded in 1959. The park covers 1,125 hectares, which is 11.25 square kilometers or 4.3 square miles. The Xishuangbanna Tropical Botanical Garden is home to around 13,000 species of tropical plants. At first the park seemed a bit boring and plain, but technically the gardens are classified as an institution that is divided into three major parts. First is the Key Lab for Tropical Forest Ecology. Next is the Key Lab for Tropical Plant Resources and Sustainable Use, and the third is the Center for Integrative Conservation. The Botanical Garden is an active member of the International Union of Botanic Gardens. It also leads the Chinese Union of Botanic Gardens, which consists of 88 botanic gardens across China. The Botanical Garden has a host of laboratories that specialize in biochemistry, molecular biology, biotechnology, plant phylogenetics, and physiological ecology. The garden also has a germplasm bank for rare endangered plants, a herbarium, and a seed bank for tropical plants. Binglang, which translates to beetle nuts or areca nuts, are known for their stimulant and narcotic effects when chewed. The practice of chewing slacked lime with beetle leaves originated in Southeast Asia. The practice is also popular among Han Chinese today and is popular in the Yunnan province where I live. To be honest, I find it a repulsive habit. Usually people smoke cigarettes with binglang. Binglang contains high amounts of tar and stains the teeth black in the long run. It is also associated with adverse health effects, including mouth cancer. The Xishuangbanna Tropical Botanical Garden has around 340 members of staff, half of whom are researchers and technical staff. The Botanical Gardens also accommodates around 240 postgraduate students, some of whom are international students. This lady is one of the guides and she claims that these plants dance to the rhythm when she sings. Honestly, I didn't see a difference. It is hilarious though when people sing to plants. The Botanical Garden's long-term goal is to be the leader of tropical plant conservation and research. From 1959 to 2023, the institution has completed 698 scientific research projects. It has also published 60 books and 829 scientific papers. To be honest, I was hoping to see many alien plants and beautiful exotic flowers. Perhaps I came during the wrong season. At least there was one unexpected thing that I saw. It was this robot that makes milk tea. It's a glorified vending machine technically, but interesting nonetheless. As we were driving around the gardens, we could not help but notice two hot air balloons constantly jutting up and down in the distance. At this point, I realized that it was the only exciting aspect of the gardens to look forward to. $300 for 8 minutes, right?
3 minutes, just 8 minutes like this high. It's not high.
Oh, that's the highest you go. Oh, so you don't fly very far. Basically, it was 300 RMB or 42 USD per person to go up in a hot air balloon for 8 minutes, with a hover time of only 3 minutes. We decided not to go up because there was a long queue and we were pressured for time. Also, the value for money didn't seem worth it. The last fascinating tree to talk about is this big green one. It has tiny shoots on its branches that only grow upwards. The tree reproduces by shedding a branch, and one of the shoots on the broken branch becomes the new tree. I learned a few things from visiting the botanical garden, but the most important one is to not expect too much from visiting botanical gardens. Anyway, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.